Meet the new SQL connector from Zebra AI, built for enterprise teams that need real-time insights from their live databases. Now shipping with full support for Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. You can connect your data directly from its source, no spreadsheets, no manual updates. Explore your database virtually, choose tables, measures, and dimensions, or jump straight into raw SQL if you need some precision. But hey, if you're not an SQL or a SQL aficionado, no worries. As you can see, Zebra AI offers the same familiar layout as Power BI's XMLA connector, so there's no learning curve for your BI or your finance teams. Just load your connection and start analyzing. Your data stays in sync every time you create a new story. You still get all the benefits of a live connection, keeping you up to date with the numbers that matter, whether you're in automotive, electronics, fashion, or other fields. From controllers auto-generating monthly variance reports to sales teams tracking plan versus performance in real time, Zebra AI brings AI-powered analysis to your live operational data. And we're just getting started, with Snowflake, BigQuery, and even more on the roadmap. Zebra AI SQL Connector. Connect once and analyze forever.